All living things need energy to stay alive and carry out activities like moving, growing, and repairing cells. This energy comes from the food we eat, but the body can't use food directly. It must first be broken down in cells through a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is like a tiny power plant inside every cell that releases energy from glucose. There are two main types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration happens when oxygen is available. It takes place mainly in the mitochondria of cells, which are often called the powerhouses of the cell. In this process, glucose, a type of sugar, combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and a large amount of energy. The energy released is stored in a molecule called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which cells use to carry out all their activities, like movement, growth, and repair. Because oxygen helps break down glucose completely, aerobic respiration is very efficient and produces about 36 to 38 ATP molecules per glucose molecule. This is the main way humans, animals, and most plants release energy. Anaerobic respiration, on the other hand, occurs when there is no or very little oxygen, such as during intense exercise or in some bacteria and yeast. Here, glucose is only partly broken down, so it releases much less energy, only about 2 ATP molecules per glucose. The end products depend on the organism. In humans, it produces lactic acid, which can cause muscle cramps and tiredness. In yeast and some bacteria, it produces alcohol, ethanol, and carbon dioxide. This process is called fermentation and is used in making bread, beer, and wine. In summary, aerobic respiration needs oxygen, happens in the mitochondria, and releases a lot of energy efficiently. Anaerobic respiration doesn't need oxygen, happens in the cytoplasm, releases less energy, and produces byproducts like lactic acid or alcohol. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.